Right, so this functional skills question I think is fairly nice. It's 4 marks, and we'll see that those marks are fairly easy to pick up for this question. But let's have a read through. Joanne is buying a pair of shoes in Europe. The length of her foot is 27.5 centimeters. Joanne uses these rules to work out her European shoe size. We'll talk about them in a sec. Joanne thinks her European shoe size is 38. Is Joanne correct? Now let's go back to those rules. They say that if you take the length in centimeters and divide by 2.5, then you have the length in inches. And if you have the length of the foot in inches, you just times by 3 and plus 8, and you've got the European shoe size. So actually, we're just kind of following the instructions here. So the length of her foot in centimeters is 27.5. And this first rule says that if we take that and divide by 2.5, we get the length in inches. So her foot is 11 inches long. The next rule says that you take the length of the foot in inches and we times it by 3. So put that in the working box, we times it by 3. We then plus 8 and we have her European shoe size. So her European shoe size is 41. Joanne thinks her European shoe size is 38. Is Joanne correct? Well, no. We've already done all the working out we need to do. Her European shoe size, we worked out from those rules, is 41. Joanne thinks her European shoe size is 38. It's not, it's 41. Is Joanne correct? No, her shoe size is 41. Sometimes I just noticed that there's quite a big answer box there, so maybe it's worth just putting in a little bit of extra detail. Normally I'd just say yes or no, but is Joanne correct? No, her shoe size is 41. She thinks it's 38, so she's wrong. And all we had to do for that question was just take the little bit of information they gave us about the length of her foot in centimeters, and then just follow the instructions. We converted it into inches using the first rule, and then converted the length of the foot in inches to a European shoe size using the second rule. So actually, not a bad question.